even dive deep into the complexities of technical SEO. So, come prepared, stay focused, and let's set sail on this digital odyssey. Remember, in the world of SEO, it's not just about reaching the destination, it's the journey. So, are you ready to kickstart this incredible journey with a brief overview of the basics? If so, let's hit the ground running. Ever scratched your head wondering why some websites bask in the golden sunlight of top search results, while others get lost in the dark corners of the web? This visibility hierarchy, akin to the food chain in the wild, is majorly determined by the might of SEO, or search engine optimization. A mesmerizing cocktail of art and science that makes your website as irresistible to search engines as honey to a bear. Yet, where does one launch this thrilling treasure? Does one launch this thrilling treasure hunt? The cryptic map to this quest lies in conducting a sharp-eyed SEO analysis. Picture this as an all-encompassing examination. Tools like RFs play the charismatic maestro in this symphony, painting a crystal-clear portrait of your site's performance and setting a competitive high-jump bar for your digital gladiator games. Now, let's dive ocean of meta tags. Each page on your website flaunt unique meta titles and descriptions like a peacock flaunting its feathers. These are not merely important, they are as vital as a compass to a sailor. These ingredients guide search engines through the intriguing storybook page. The next step in fortifying your SEO stronghold involves installing an SSL certificate. Imagine this as an invisible force field, shielding your visitors' data and subtly boosting your SEO like a backstage amplifier at a rock concert. These basics is like laying a rock-solid foundation to your SEO skyscraper. However, the exploration is far from over. Fasten your seatbelts as we zoom further into the exhilarating galaxy of keyword research. Envision yourself delving into the vast expanse of your audience's minds. Your primary tool in this exploration? The right keywords. So where do these valuable fragments of information come from? Let's begin this learning process together. Our initial step is to conduct a preliminary keyword research. See this as an opportunity to tap into the expansive reservoir of language that your potential audience employs. Your aids in this extensive quest are tools such as the Google Keyword Planner. This tool aids you in identifying keywords connected to your specialty that are popular among the public. Provide it with some primary keywords associated with your business, and observe as it reveals a vast array of potential keywords. However, don't rush to grab those high-traffic keywords immediately. Patience is paramount. Starting with long-tail keywords can often prove to be a smart tactic. These are extended, unique phrases that may not be commonly searched, yet they offer two significant benefits. Firstly, they usually face less competition, simplifying your climb up the search engine ranks. Secondly, they often result in higher conversion rates. Why? A user searching for a long-tail keyword is usually more decisive and knows exactly what they're looking for. Now that you have these potential keywords, how do you choose the best ones? That's where the concept of keyword difficulty comes in. It indicates the level of effort required to appear on the first page of search results for that keyword. The higher the difficulty, the greater the challenge. As a novice, targeting keywords with lower difficulty levels might be the most effective strategy. But remember, keyword research is not a one-off task, it's a process of evolution. As your website grows, your keywords should adapt accordingly. Monitor your keywords' performance regularly, and be open to making adjustments as necessary. Equipped with the right keywords, you're now prepared for the next part of your SEO journey, on-page SEO. Now that we've identified our keywords, the next step is to delve into the realm of on-page SEO. Consider on-page SEO as a toolkit designed to streamline the performance of individual web pages. It works to elevate their ranking and draw a flood of targeted traffic from search engines. This dual-faceted approach focuses on the content available to users, as well as the underlying HTML source code, the dialect of search engines. Visualize your web page as a jigsaw puzzle and your keywords as the pieces. Managing on-page SEO involves arranging these pieces strategically, in your headers, meta descriptions, and subtly interlaced within your content. It's essential to remember that your keywords should blend seamlessly with your content, enhancing its value and augmenting the user experience. Let's shed light on another vital element: image optimization. Picture search engines as visually impaired individuals who can't view images but can interpret the alt text. Hence, the alt text serves as a narrator explaining the story of your image, and for this reason, it's advisable to use descriptive alt text with your target keywords for every image on your page. On-page SEO can be compared to a professional pianist tuning their piano for an outstanding performance. But what the other elements, like the stage setup, the lighting, and sound system? This is where technical SEO enters the scene, ensuring every back-end aspect is ready for the grand performance of your web page. Scene script? Technical SEO serves as the engine to your website, an intricate framework that ensures your digital operations run smoothly. Imagine your website as a finely tuned machine where every single part contributes to its optimal functioning. This is the essence of technical SEO. It focuses on ensuring that your website's backend runs seamlessly, facilitating easy navigation for search engines. Let's delve into the crucial components of technical SEO. Firstly, site speed. In the digital world, speed is critical, and a slow-loading page can drive users away. It's essential to enhance your website's speed to create an unparalleled user experience and increase your ranking on search engines. Next, mobile optimization. Given that a considerable portion of web traffic is now mobile-based, having a mobile-friendly website is critical. A mobile-optimized site improves user experience and makes it easier for search engines to understand and rank your site. Finally, XML sitemaps. These can be compared to a guide for search engines, leading them through the maze of your site's content. An XML sitemap makes it easier for search engines to crawl your site, increasing visibility. Now, let's transition into discussing the content checklist. The phrase, "content is king," holds true in the realm of SEO. High-quality content is fundamental to any successful SEO strategy. Quality content is relevant, engaging, and valuable to your audience. It seamlessly integrates your target keywords and is well-structured, with clear headings, bullet points, and links to relevant internal and external resources. Moving on to link building, it involves securing high-quality backlinks from other websites. Why is it important? Because backlinks act as stamps of approval, indicating to search engines that your content is credible and valuable. Creating engaging content and leveraging technical SEO are key elements in building a successful SEO strategy. But what about the long-term plan? Embarking on the journey of mastering SEO is not a race, it's a long, gradual process. It requires constant attention, regular updates, and a deep understanding of advanced SEO strategies. Navigate the complex landscape of these strategies together. Starting with schema markup, a form of microdata that provides extra context to your website content. It's a translator for search engines, simplifying your content, amplifying your search results, and potentially boosting click-through rates. Next, we have another potent tool, voice search optimization. World where voice assistants like Siri and Alexa are becoming increasingly prevalent, it's crucial to optimize for voice search. This optimization involves focusing on long-tail keywords and conversational phrases that mimic human speech patterns. However, the process doesn't end at implementation. Regular monitoring of your SEO performance vital. Tools such as Google Analytics or SEMrush are your co-pilots on this journey, assisting you in monitoring your rankings, organic traffic, and bounce rates. If the performance metrics don't line up with your goals, it's time to reassess and adjust your strategy. And there it is, a comprehensive SEO guide for the year 2023. In the world of SEO, endurance and consistency are key. So let's embark on this intriguing long-term journey together.